Okay, let's get started. Like always, I'm going to begin with my dump table, a table where I dump majority of the stuff that I have in my hands. This could be from clean dishware, coloring pencils, watercolor paints, random notebooks, etc. This is the only time I also do a before and after. I don't know why it's the only time I do this, but it is. I don't use a wet wipe on this table because it wasn't that dirty. I didn't do a very good job decluttering the table, but it wasn't nearly as bad as it was originally. This also is before we remodeled the whole living room, so things are much different now. You'll be able to see that in the upcoming vlog. This is my computer side table where I put most of my currently working on projects, but as you can see, it's just another dump area. I do use a wet wipe to wipe this table off because no matter what, these foldable tables are always really dirty even after wiping them a couple of times. Maybe it's the stain or paint on the table, but it always turns out that way. Okay, let's be honest, about everywhere is a dump table. We have a lot of junk, or at least I have a lot of junk that I use, and it swallows up everything. I'm trying to change that by decluttering, but it doesn't seem like I'm making much of a dent. Now onto my husband's side of the table. His side gets really dusty very easily because his computer pulls in dust. He also usually surrounds his computer with weapons like knives and axes due to his interest in them. The weapons that are around his table right now are ones I purchased for him for Christmas and for his birthday, so he likes to use them as prized possessions. The bar table is where I keep majority of my clean dishware since I didn't have much of a place to put them. I still kind of don't, but Zach found a way to shove them elsewhere for our new remodel, and now our bar table is that, just a bar table. Again, you'll see that in the vlog. Like my original dump table, this is where most things go when we are walking around and dropping stuff off. A good majority of this mess is because of Zach though, so it's just not my fault this time. The floor on my bookshelf table usually gets filled with plastic bags from going grocery shopping and me being lazy and not putting them away so I can take them back to the store to be recycled. We also have a lot of boxes folded up because Zach's work used to take in recyclables, but the boys tend to forget to take them. My clean clothes have been sitting out for a day or two because, like I said earlier, I've gotten lazy, but it's about the time to put them away. By this time, I've put some things on the couch that are supposed to go into the bedroom, and then I fold up the blankets. Later on in this video, there is a day skip where the blankets are no longer folded and look like a hot mess on the couch again, so you know it does not last long. For a while, I tried to make my bed every day, but I tend to forget now because I wake up at 5 in the morning to wake and get Zach ready for work, and then I sleep out on the couch for an hour or two before getting up. So I tend to just, well, forget about the bedroom. The day has changed and the living room looks like a mess again. So I pick up a few things, move the large couch so I can vacuum underneath it because we are going to remodel the living room. So I wanted to do that before we remodeled. I was going to move the smaller couch to vacuum underneath it, but I decided against it because the staircase would have gotten in the way, so I do it after filming when I am on the other side of the couch, but I didn't film it. As I had said before, it's a day or two later and I have gone grocery shopping, so there are plastic bags on the floor. But by this time I had gotten into a slump and didn't want to pick them up. Call me lazy, but my mental health wasn't doing so fine during this time period. And that's all the cleaning I was able to do at the time. Like I said, I had gotten into a slump, and that usually means my brain is fried from depression or burnt out from work. It comes and goes, but it isn't nearly as bad as it used to be when I wasn't on medication. So I hope you guys enjoyed. Like, comment, and subscribe, and I hope you have a wonderful day.